New fear unlocked. Truck tire exploding next to you.
Ben was driving in New York City when he noticed an NYPD vehicle driving along with no lights on. As Ben began passing the police car, the officer made a sudden U-turn without signaling, plowing into Ben's Lexus before immediately activating the car's emergency lighting. Notice that the cop car had no lights on at all before the brakes were applied, which illuminated the brake lights. Then it turned with still no headlights, turn signals, or emergency lights active. It wasn't until after the impact that the officer activated the emergency lights, but Ben told us they said in their official report that the emergency lights were already active and that Ben had failed to yield. The NYPD sent Ben a bill for $14,000 to repair their police car. After he sent them a copy of his dashcam footage, they backed off before covering Ben's $7,500 repair bill.
It's been a time to have someone pry into their lives from decades ago, but Amelia didn't leave me empty-handed. She told me about her wife and one of those brothers, a woman named Amy Lowe. Oh my God, none of us were married.
With my college classes. After being there a year and a half, they announced everyone would be getting a review. My general manager came to me and told me the time she wanted to schedule.
What is wrong with you?
I told her at that time that I would be needing a quarter raise, $10 a week, in order to make it so I could sustain working there while going to college.
Baseball cap. She also said that Mum had put in the time to look good, she was getting flowers, and she got through.
Is the touring company out of Seattle or something? Is the touring company out of Seattle or something?